This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the wiper arm away from the screen, then slide the lock forwards and detach the blade from the arm. Locate the blade in the arm, then slide the lock rearwards to secure it. Gently lower the blade back down to the windscreen. Pull the wiper arm away from the screen, then press the blade from the arm. Align the blade pivot pin with the catch in the arm, then press the blade firmly into place. Gently lower the blade back down to the screen.